Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. It's been a while, Sohyang fans. It's been a while, guys. Jamaica has been going out with so much, so you'd have to stay in my little country to get some things sorted out. No, no, that's been over. We're gonna react to Sohyang. I will always love you. No, this song was originated by Whitney Houston, and I'm kind of a bit nervous right now, but I know Sohyang will never fail. In fact, she will do something astounding. I just knew it. I can feel it in my soul already. So without further ado, let's see what she's up to. Peace. Where is this performance that she's doing right now? Is it outside of a harbor or something like that? Because trust me, it is a very beautiful view. She's just looking so gorgeous right here, guys. Every time I saw this female, she's always inside of a building performing, but seeing her on the outside is just enlightens my day. Let's continue.
If I should stay, I would only be in the way.
Look at my bro onto the right side of her. I could say the left, because the right is my left. Look at my bro on the left where she's at. Bro looking so happy. Guys, I like to see people having each other's backs whenever time they are doing something, and especially it's something good. It is very great. I really like to see it, and I really like to see it, and it gives me joy to look at it. Let's continue.
So I'll go, but I know I'll think of you every step of the way. And will always love you. I will always love you. You.
Okay, let's continue. Let's continue.
Darling, I love you. Bittersweet memories. That is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye. Please don't cry.
Bro, I mean, like, if Whitney Houston was here with this female, she would be stunned. Guys, there's so much people out there who sing this song over as a cover, but Sohyang one is just different, guys. Don't get me wrong. There are so much people who has done something extraordinary, but Sohyang, bro, she's different, bro. She's peculiar. She has this powerful voice that pulls me in whenever time I hear she's singing, guys. This is what I call a soul win.
We both know I'm not what you need.
Guys, just look at everyone's faces. Everyone is astonished by her voice, and trust me, if I was there at that time 2 years ago, I would be so flat on that ground, shedding with tears. Trust me, this is how powerful her voice gets.
You kind, and I hope you have all you dreamed of, and I wish you joy and happiness.
Can someone please state where is Sohyang from? She's so blessed with this voice, guys.
But above all this, I wish you love. And I will always love you. I will always love you. Darling, I love you. I will always love you.
This is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. I love her voice so much, and this makes me want to do more of her reactions. So if you guys have any more suggestions, guys, you guys have gave me so much. So in other words, please don't comment what I should react to next. I believe I have a comment with a list of them. So I'll skim through each comment, pick out the best one. Matter of a fact, I react to everything. So please stay tuned. I'll see you there. Peace out.